To accurately communicate PCB design intent for fabrication and manufacturing, specific layers must be included in artwork files. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to configure artwork films in OrCAD X Presto. With the design open, select Manufacturing, Export to Manufacturing from the menu. Select Configure Artwork Films. View the default settings. Here you can configure default artwork settings and individual settings for artwork films by selecting the artwork. View the default artwork films, including external conductor, internal plane, internal negative plane, silkscreen, solder mask, solder paste, fabrication drill views, and assembly drawing views. The silkscreen, solder mask, solder paste, and assembly drawing views contain subcategories for top and bottom layers, indicated with a TP and BT respectively. To add a new artwork film, scroll to the bottom of the Configure Artwork Film window. Here you can see two blank boxes. The light gray box will add a subcategory to the assembly drawing views. The dark gray box will add a new artwork film. In the dark gray box, enter Design Outline and press the plus sign to add the artwork film. A light gray box has appeared under the Design Outline artwork film. This will add a subcategory to the Design Outline. Enter Design Outline in the light gray box and press the plus sign to add the subcategory. In the subcategory, class and subclass definitions are now available. Select the drop-down arrow for board geometry. Here you can view the available classes for elements in the PCB design. Select the arrow to close the list or choose board geometry. Select the drop-down list for Design Outline. Here you can view the available board geometry elements in the design. Select the arrow again to close the list or choose Design Outline. Select plus to add the Design Outline layer to the artwork film. Repeat this process as needed to modify any default artwork films or create new artwork films. If you are adding layers to artwork films, be sure to select the plus sign to add the layer. When finished, click OK. Back in the Manufacturing Export window, view the Fabrication Gerber category. The newly defined artwork film is now visible. Select the checkbox to include the category and continue with the manufacturing export as required. Easily configure artwork films to accurately communicate your PCB design intent for manufacturing with OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.